What's up, everyone? So it has been extremely hot here this past week in Orlando, and I thought what better way to cool down than to spend a day at a water park. And today I am here at Aquatica. For those of you that don't know, Aquatica is SeaWorld Orlando's water park, and it has actually been named the #1 water park in Orlando by the Orlando Sentinnel and the #1 outdoor water park by the USA Today. I'm not sure if that's true, because if you all know me, you know I love Volcano Bay, and I think that is the best water park here in Central Florida. But that is what we're gonna put to the test today. Is Aquatica the #1 water park here in Orlando? They have some really cool slides. I've been walking around this morning checking them out. They have a slide that goes into a fish tank. I haven't done much today other than scan into the park and make a lap around to check it out, and I'm already in a full sweat. So it's time to go put my gear in a locker and go ride some water slides. If any of you have ever been to Aquatica, let me know down below in the comments. Also, what is y'all's favorite water park in Orlando? Right now, for me, it's Volcano Bay. Maybe today it gets beat. I don't think so. It's gonna be very tough to beat Volcano Bay. Aquatica is a massive water park with tons of slides, a kids splash park, 2 wave pools, a lazy river, and an action river. And fun fact, Aquatica is also celebrating their 15th birthday this year. And here is the tank that Reef Plunge goes through, and as you can see, there are dolphins, fish, and some sharks inside this tank. This slide looks like a lot of fun, so let's go ride it. Just got off of Reef Plunge, which was a lot of fun and super fast, by the way. Not sure how well you all saw inside the tank. It was definitely hard for me to see while going through it, but now I'm here at the racing slides called Taumata Racer, which looks like a lot of fun, so let's go ride it. Alright, so that racing one was a lot of fun. That drop is way steeper than I thought it was going to be, but now it is time to come over to their newest slide here at Aquatica, Riptide Rush. Riptide Race, another great slide here at Aquatica. This one you are racing against the people next to you, and this slide would definitely be a lot of fun if you came with your friends and family. But now it's time to head to the next slide. Whoa. these two toilet bowl slides are called Tassie's Twisters, and around these slides is Loggerhead Lane, which is the lazy river here at Aquatica. Now, the cool thing about the lazy river here is not only can you just relax here and take in the sun, but this lazy river goes through two different fish tanks. This one right here is just a little tiny fish tank with, as you can see, a ton of fish. And then it goes through the dolphin and shark fish tank, which also has the Reef Plunge slide that I went through earlier. So it's a cool place if you want to just sit and relax and watch people go through the slide. Definitely recommend coming over and checking Loggerhead Lane. But let's go and ride Tassie's Twisters. Tassie's Twisters was a lot of fun. As you can see, I shot my way out of the slide into the toilet bowl, but then it just slowed me down and I just took my time to get off of it. But the really cool thing about this slide is once you're done, that when you are off of it, you can stay on your raft and make your way around the lazy river, which is really cool. But now I am done over here. Let's head over to the action river. So that is going to wrap my day up here at Aquatica. I had a lot of fun, and Aquatica has some amazing slides, as you all could tell, especially the Reef Plunge, which is a super unique and cool slide that goes right through the fish tank. Obviously, I'm not sure how great the camera footage was on that when I was going through the fish tank, because you kind of zoom through there. It was a lot of fun. Now, at the beginning of this video, I told you all multiple news articles came out and said that this was the best water park in Orlando, and even the USA Today said this was the #1 outdoor water park, I'm going to assume, in the whole country. But for me, I still have to give the best water park in Orlando to Volcano Bay. For me, it is just the superior water park here in Orlando. And if you have been there, you definitely know what I'm talking about. From all the slides to even just you're walking through there. And for me, it doesn't feel like you're walking through a typical water park. Universal Orlando did a great job with Volcano Bay. And as for this, besides the Reef Plunge and going through and seeing, in the lazy rivers and seeing some of the fish tanks, other than that, it's just your typical water park with some fun water slides. Volcano Bay brings it to that next level. So for me, Aquatica is probably number 2. They have a lot of fun slides, a lot better slides than I think Disney has at their water parks. So for me, Aquatica is the second best water park here in Orlando. But like I said, I did have a lot of fun with these great slides here at Aquatica. But that's gonna be it for today's video. If you all did enjoy today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here to the channel, and make sure to ring that bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out.